Introducing BI as a service from the Information Factory. End-to-end, cloud-based business intelligence and analytics, delivering the insights you need to drive your business. When harnessed effectively, data helps people to improve decision-making, identify problems and solutions, optimize processes, and identify trends and opportunities. Our BI as a service does this by connecting to your data sources, integrating them within a cloud-based data warehouse, then transforming it into dashboards, visualizations, and detailed reports, tailored to your company and departmental KPIs. The service is easily scalable, whether you require 1 or 1,000 users, and operates right across your organization, delivering insights directly to desktops and mobile devices. With user training, ongoing support and consulting offered as standard, we'll make sure you maximize the ROI from your data. Contact our expert, friendly team to begin your data-driven journey today. We'd be delighted to hear from you.